So I'm back at the same location I was yesterday. I'm over watching that same tree I saw the kingfisher on. And hopefully he'll come back and I'll be able to get a clear shot of him. Went by the Army surplus store, picked me up some netting for my camera. Already working. A big crane was circling about. And he never saw me, so that's kind of cool. Or if he did, he didn't give a shit. But what I did notice is when he circled around, like a lot of the frogs shut the hell up. That was both interesting and pleasant for my ears. Got another net from my bag. All right, so I already said a lot yesterday, so I'm not gonna repeat everything. I'm here for the kingfisher. Anything else is a bonus. And if I get him, well, that's just gonna be fucking awesome. All right, guys, I'll keep my eyes out. This is that crane I was telling you about. Alright, so I'm watching this tree. I'm really close, probably too close, but if I get any further back I can't see the tree. So I'm watching it, but there's also a small blue tit building a nest in this tree trunk to my left. I don't want to disturb him, so I want to clear a path through this area right here, and that way I can watch both locations also quietly. A big thing is go ahead and prepare your area. So I'm here early. The frogs are loud and obnoxious, but I want to clear a path so I can move from here about 2 meters down freely without making a lot of sound. So I'm going to make a lot of sound for a short amount of time and then go back to being quiet. All right, guys? You're not going to see anything laying down. For these smaller reeds here, you need a smaller knife. Same concept as a saw, but this serrated knife will make short work of these reeds. And I want to clear out some of the brown ones so I'll have a little bit better shot when he decides to land. If he decides to land. So here's another tip. If you want to clear a shot, create one. For about 5 minutes of work, I was able to remove all these reeds, the dead ones, from my line of sight. And so now I'll have a clear shot of this whole tree in case the kingfisher decides to land. So now I'm able to, if I want to go down to this lower location for its change, I'm able to move a lot quieter. I moved some of the debris from my path. I cleared out some of the reeds. And now my line of sight and my footsteps will be better. Let's stump right there. The blue tit is building a nest. These no oranges would attract squirrels. They like the sweet smell. So that blue tit is bringing grub into his hole. I wonder if his hatchlings are already up. Oh, I'm not gonna poke my head in there. That'd be rude. Alright, the frogs win. I'm done with this pond. There's about 7 more in the area. That kingfisher's got to fly to all of them.